In this lesson, let us take a look at a couple of useful datetime functions. Let me set the time zone back to Eastern, which is America, New York. To-car function. Use this function to display the date values in character formats as specified by this string. DD represents day. Mon represents uppercase 3-letter abbreviation for months. You can see May in uppercase here. YYYY represents 4-character year format. HH24 represents hour in 24-hour format, which is 0 to 23. MI represents minutes and SS represents seconds. There are other formats as well. Following are some of those examples. Look at this format. I am using slash here. I get the slash MMDD month 0501. Look at the difference between MON and MM. Okay, and HH has become 2 p.m. whereas here it's 14. Now let me set NLS date format to be in this format. This will make certain date values to be displayed in this format. Add months function. This takes two inputs. One is the date value and the next is a numerical value. Add months sys date 1 will add a month to the current date. Current month is May, and if we add 1 we get June. If we use negative number here, it will subtract. May minus 1 is April. Extract function. We can extract the fields individually from a date value. Extract year will just give us the year. Month will just give us the month. Day will just give us the day. Using last day function, we can find the last day of the month. May 31st is the last day of this month. Current timestamp will give date in timestamp format with time zone. Local timestamp will give the date in timestamp format without the time zone. America/New York is the time zone here, and we do not see time zone here. Months between function. This function will give the number of months between two dates. In this SQL, we are trying to get the months between hire date column and sys date. Today is May 1st, 2016. If the left value is older than the right value, then it will give negative values in the result. See, the hire date is older than sys date. Now let us change the SQL. Now I have put the sys date on the left. The result is positive numbers here. But why the results are on decimal points? It's because the days are different. 17th here, 1st here. So I can round or truncate both the dates by month. I'm rounding it here. I am truncating it here. If I do this, the day field will always be 1. Then I can do the comparison. Now the SQL will give whole numbers. Using new time function, we can see the current time in a different zone. I know my sys date is in EST, and if I want to see it in PST, I will use this SQL. Eastern time 3 o'clock, Pacific time it's 12 o'clock. Using the next day function, we can find when a particular day will come next. In this example, next Thursday from today, which is sys date, is on 5th May. We can also extract the Greenwich Mean Time. Using this SQL, we can convert sys date into timestamp format and timestamp with time zone format. We can also use cast function to convert a type of a value. Sys date can be converted into timestamp in this SQL. There are lots of such functions, and I just covered the functions that would be useful to you. Thank you for watching.